Hello again, everybody. This is Dave from Blox News and Exclusive Collectibles, back from their box break. Today we're going to be opening one 2019 Topps Opening Day Mega Box. We're going to open these up. There's 16 packs plus one exclusive parallel pack. We're going to see what these look like, see what we get, and hope you enjoy. Alright, we're about to open the first pack. 7 cards per pack of the base packs. And they've got the style of the regular Topps series, with the Opening Day logo. Carlos Rodon, Yadier Molina, Francisco Linder, 150 Years of Fun with Cal Ripken Jr. insert, Aldemus Diaz, Billy Hamilton, and finally out of the first one, Jose Abreu. Alright, moving to the second one, we've got Jose Leclerc, Christian Stewart, rookie card, Anthony Rendon, Mr. Met, mascot for the Mets, Dansby Swanson, Andrew Benintendi, and Alex Bregman. Astros are on fire this year. Moving to our third pack. We've got Adalberto Mondesi, Josh James, Matt Kemp, 150 Years of Fun with Jim Palmer, Kyle Freeland, Bryce Harper in the Nats uniform, Yuzi Kakuk, I can't even say it, the rookie card. My goodness. Kikuchi. Yuze Kikuchi. Christian Yelich, MVP last year for the National League. Raziel Iglesias. Tommy Pham. Insert card. Team Traditions and Celebrations Tony Gwynn statue. Charlie Blackmon. David Dahl. And Matt Chapman. Over to the next one. We've got Daniel Palka, Blake Snell, JD Martinez, 150 Years of Fun with Sandy Koufax, Michael Conforto, Todd Frazier, and Jonathan Villar. Next one. We've got Brandon Belt, Kettle Marte, Carlos Santana, mascot for the A's, David Peralta, Edwin Diaz, and Mitch Garver. Next up, we've got Jamie Barria, Aaron Nola, Mookie Betts, 150 Years of Fun, Ronald Acuna, Orlando Arcia, Kyle Calhoun, and Javier Baez, El Mago. Next up, we've got Masahiro Tanaka, Kyle Schwarber, Carlos Martinez, Opening Day with the Cincinnati Reds, Ryan Zimmerman, Ryan Yarbrough, rookie, all-star rookie, Jordan Zimmerman. Next up, so far not seeing a whole lot in the way of inserts. Sean Doolittle, Salvador Perez, Nick Martini, 50 Years of Fun with Joe Morgan, Corey Seager, very hot this year, Jeff McNeil, and James Paxton. Moving along, we're about halfway through. We've got Starlin Castro, Jose Ramirez, Nomar Mazara, Dinger, the mascot for the Rockies, Jorge Polanco, Thor, Noah Syndergaard, and Justin Smoke. Next up, we've got Joey Votto, Matt Duffy, Matt Davidson, 150 Years of Fun with Babe Ruth, James Tillman, Derek Dietrich, and Nicholas Castellanos. We've got 5 left. We've got Jose Martinez, Rick Porcello, Will Smith, just hit his first home run. Opening day, Detroit Tigers, David Price, Max Scherzer, and Aaron Judge. That's a good card. Next up, we've got Ozzie Albies, Gregory Polanco, Albert Pujols, 150 Years of Fun, Pedro Martinez, Trevor Story, Alex Gordon, and finally Jesus Aguilar. Moving along. We've got Sean Manaea, Carlos Correa, another good card, Luis Severino, Blooper, the mascot for the Braves, Kyle Gibson, Freddie Freeman, and Willie Adames All-Star Rookie card. Final 2, second to last. We've got Zach Godley, Jake Arrieta, Mike Fotnitz, Ichiro, 150 Years of Fun, Miguel Andujar, All-Star Rookie card, Joey Lucchesi, and finally out of this one, Dakota Hudson, rookie card. Now for our final regular pack. We've got Corey Dickerson, Xander Bogaerts, Derek Rodriguez, Brad Boxberger, blue insert card. Non-numbered, but as you can see, it's a nice little foil card. Opening day, Toronto Blue Jays, D. Gordon, and finally, Evan Longoria. Now to our opening day red parallel card pack. These are nice looking cards. We've got Masahiro Tanaka, Kyle Schwarber, Beast from Chicago, good card. Carlos Martinez, Max Kepler, Sandy Alcantara, Mark Trumbo, and finally Kenley Jensen. So now you have an idea what can come out of these packs, these mega boxes. Hope you enjoyed. Click like and subscribe for more great videos, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at bloxnews.net and exclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us at info@bloxcoinnews.com to learn more.